Crypto has been on a great rally recently, with Bitcoin now up 35% from its lows, and Ethereum, with the merge just 1 month away, is up a huge 113%. Now, whether this is just a bear market rally and another big leg down is coming in the short term, the truth is that it's only a matter of time until the next big bull run in crypto begins, and it's going to be epic. Now, over the past few weeks, I've been making sure you do not lose sight of all the big developments happening amidst all the uncertainty and fear. But this last couple of weeks have taken things to a whole new level. And so we'll be looking at all the biggest developments that have happened recently that all say to me the best is yet to come. As always, if you do enjoy anything in the video, then drop a like. Always appreciated. Okay, first up, we're going to start in my home country, as not too long ago, our Bank of England governor repeatedly said crypto investors should be prepared to lose all their money. However, now the tide is a-turning. And so, starting in the UK, we have Barclays snaps up stake in $2 billion crypto firm Copper. And if you didn't know, Barclays is one of the biggest banks in the UK. And what makes this a very interesting story is that Copper is advised by Lord Hammond, who was a former Chancellor. And the Chancellor in the UK is like the CEO of Her Majesty's Treasury. And he's now advising Copper, and he's raising funds from existing and new investors, including a giant UK bank. Then fresh, coming directly from the UK government, and this is the Law Commission Department, they're creating papers on digital assets. Add to this, recently the UK government is putting through regulation on stablecoins, and even on Twitter we have Her Majesty's Treasury saying, find out more about our plans to make the UK a global crypto asset hub. So things are certainly heating up in the UK. Now, heading deeper into Europe, we have one of the biggest car companies in the world, Mercedes-Benz, that have decided to partner with Polygon on a new platform. And they announced that they're going to build a blockchain-based data sharing platform on Polygon, which is Ethereum's layer 2 scaling solution. And Mercedes-Benz is a huge company. And due to the nature of competition, more and more car companies are going to follow suit. Now, heading over to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Rio de Janeiro moves forward with Bitcoin integration. And basically, Rio will be putting a percentage of their treasury into Bitcoin. And also very crypto friendly, as Brazil has tax breaks for Bitcoin miners. So, big news coming from Rio. Then heading over to Argentina, where Binance is crushing it. And Binance and MasterCard have partnered to launch a crypto prepaid card in Argentina. And you'll notice Binance and crypto is now becoming synonymous with Visa and MasterCard, some of the biggest payment railways in the world. And with Ethereum's merge only 1 month away, Coinbase Prime is giving institutions access to Ethereum staking. And I recently did a video covering Raoul Pal's prediction for Ethereum, as it could become the internet bond. So the fact that all US institutional clients will be getting access to this is starting to bring this to fruition. Then obviously, I think we've all seen the news over the last week that BlackRock, the world's largest investment asset manager, is bringing crypto to their institutional investors as well. And this worked out to be If BlackRock's clients just invest 2.5% into Bitcoin, that alone would add another $1 trillion onto Bitcoin's market cap. Now, as a bit of a bonus on BlackRock, as you've probably heard this news, but I'm guessing you've probably not seen the clip from BlackRock's CEO as to what happened when they announced the news on their website. Check this out.
One of my important investors was on one of the television shows the last few days, and he spoke about Bitcoin and two of, one, monetary policy, two, and three, COVID. The hits on BlackRock's on our website was 3,000 on COVID, 3,000 hits on a monetary policy, and 600,000 hits on Bitcoin. So what that tells you is Bitcoin has caught the attention and the imagination of many people.
Then, in my last video, I covered this recent analysis from ARK Invest, which shows the impact of all institutions on the price of Bitcoin if they just allocated 1%, 2.5%, or 6.5%, and it added to a 4 times increase in Bitcoin's price, or 9 times, or over 20 times. So when the institutions come, it's going to be epic. And then, if you didn't know, this is all the money that's currently sitting in stablecoins, adding up to a huge, almost 150 billion just sat there ready to be deployed. And compare this to 2021 when it's about 25 billion. What do you think's going to happen in the next cycle? Again, when it's 4 to 5 times bigger. And then finally, CZ of Binance dropped a huge bombshell at a recent conference in France. And if you didn't hear it,
a month ago, we passed 120 million users. These are KYC trading users.
So this means that there is 120 million people at least who are trading currencies, cryptocurrencies?
Yes, and also to give a bit of color, a year and a half ago, at the beginning of 2021, we only had 20 million users. So 100 million
So
growth.
It's moving quite fast.
Yes, and so most of the users are still very active because they're new joiners. Yeah.
So as you can see, even though the economy right now is in a bit of a mess and crypto's crashed over 70% again, the developments just keep getting better and better. Last year, we had US senators screaming who could be the most crypto friendly, and now we have governments wanting to become a crypto hub. We now have banks investing in new crypto companies, Rio adding Bitcoin to their treasury, Coinbase will be bringing Ethereum staking to institutions, BlackRock bringing trillions of dollars of new capital to the crypto market, $150 billion of stable coins ready to be deployed, and Binance saying they've recently amassed 5 times more users, 120 million people that are all verified and all KYC'd. And remember, this was all in just the last couple of weeks. So there you are, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Now, if you've been feeling down or anxious that the crypto market has been crushed, don't lose faith, as although yes, it has crashed harder than stocks, on the rebound it will also grow much faster than stocks as well. And for now, just to say, if you did enjoy anything in the video, then drop a like, and a big thank you to everyone who does, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.